Have you ever wondered why so many people online are talking about onion water for hair growth? It may sound unusual, but this simple kitchen ingredient has been used for generations to support healthier, thicker, and stronger hair. Today, let's explore how onion water works, the science behind it, and how it can transform your hair naturally. First, let's look at what's inside an onion that makes it so powerful. Onions are packed with sulfur, a mineral that plays a huge role in building strong hair strands. Sulfur is often called the beauty mineral because it helps form keratin, the protein that makes up our hair. When your scalp gets a boost of sulfur, it helps strengthen weak strands, reduces breakage, and supports the growth of healthier hair. Onions are also rich in antioxidants, especially a compound called quercetin. These antioxidants help protect the hair follicles from damage caused by everyday stressors like the sun exposure, heat styling, and environmental pollution. By protecting your follicles, onion water creates a healthier environment for hair to grow. Another amazing benefit of that onion water is that it can improve blood circulation to your scalp. When you apply it directly on your roots, it gently stimulates hair follicles. Better blood flow means more nutrients reach the roots, which can wake up the dormant follicles and encourage new growth. On top of that, onion water has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. Many scalp issues such as dandruff or mild infections can weaken the hair and slow growth. By keeping your scalp clean and balanced, onion water helps create the perfect conditions for your hair to thrive. So, how does onion water actually help with thickness? For some people, consistent use can reduce excessive shedding. When the roots become stronger and the scalp becomes healthier, the hair naturally appears fuller. Many people also notice baby hair growing in areas that once looked thin. Now, how do you make onion water at home? It's surprisingly simple. Peel 1 or 2 onions, cut them into pieces, and blend them with small amount of water. Strain the mixture to separate the juice from the pulp. And you can also boil sliced onions in water for 10 minutes. Let it cool and use that instead, a method that has a milder smell. To use it, apply the onion water directly to your scalp, focusing on thinning areas. Massage gently for a few minutes to boost circulation. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Then wash your hair with mild shampoo. For best results, use it once to thrice a week. It's important to remember that natural remedies take time. Onion water won't give you results overnight, but with consistent use, many people see improvements within 4 to 6 weeks. And because it's natural, it can be a great addition to your overall hair care routine. A quick safety note: if you have sensitive scalp, always do a patch test first. Apply a small amount of onion water behind your ear or your wrist and wait a few minutes to see if there is any irritation. If your skin feels fine, you can go ahead and use it to your scalp. In the end, onion water is a simple, affordable, and effective home remedy that supports hair growth naturally. It strengthens the roots, encourages new growth, protects the scalp, and may help you regain thickness over time. If you're looking for a gentle, natural boost for your hair, onion water may just be the right solution you've been searching for.